To create a new user in SkuVault, go to Admin User Accounts. Click Create New User, then enter the name, email, and password. Then choose which role you'd like this user to be. To see the permissions of each user role, click the question mark beside role. A table will pop up showing you which pages each role has access to. Once you have determined the role for this user, click Create New User. New users are enabled by default. Should you need to disable a user at any time, simply uncheck the checkbox under the Enabled column. You can always come back and re-enable users as needed. To change a user password, click Change and enter the new password. One thing to remember is that each user can only be logged into one device at a time. For this reason, you will want to create a unique login for each person who will be accessing SkuVault. For more information, visit our portal at support.skuvault.com or email us at support@skuvault.com.